looking forward to having my own DXTECH machine in South Africa. I had the opportunity to come to Jinan City to visit DXTECH.
Yes.
And I was welcomed first in the city, picked up at the hotel and driven to the factory in the area. I don't know which industrial area. Didi took us there. To my surprise, it was a huge factory, a big building. Actually, two of them. On the inside, it was just machines, all in different stages of manufacturing. They have prepared some of the machines for me because I asked them, I want to see how it cuts sheets. Showed me cutting a 1mm sheet, which was, I can show you. Yeah, it was extremely well done, and it seemed easy to operate. And then they also demonstrated to me using the tube cutter, cutting an I-beam, which is one of my requirements. Showed me that. I looked at the cut quality, that was really good. And then I looked at the inside, the typical electrical equipment, Max lasers, they're using the Max equipment. And then on the electrical switchgear side, they're using Schneider. So it seems like most of the spares will be ready available all over the world. And then I just looked at the manufacturing quality. I also looked at the presses, and that looked good. It pressed extremely well. So I'm sure DXTECH will hear from me very soon in having an order, my first order. Currently in my country, South Africa, I know of a few machines operating there, and I know of twice that the Chinese engineer was there to assist in the installation of the machines. And looking forward to having my own DXTECH machine in South Africa. Thank you.
Thank you.